NCERT Solutions, Class 10, Maths, Chapter 7, Exercise 7.1, Question 4. Check whether the points 5, minus 2, 6, 4, and 7, minus 2 are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. Answer. A triangle is called isosceles triangle if at least two of the sides are equal in length. Now, to check if the given points are vertices of an isosceles triangle, we find all the three sides and check if any of those two lengths are equal. Let the points be A of 5, minus 2, B of 6, 4, and C of 7, minus 2. We have just named the given vertices as A, B, and C. The formula to find the distance between 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2 is root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now let us find the lengths of all the three sides. Now we are going to find the length of the three sides AB, BC and AC. Distance between vertices A and B. A of 5, minus 2, B of 6, 4. Here x1, y1 is 5, minus 2 and x2, y2 is 6, 4. The distance formula is AB is equal to root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. x2 is 6 minus x1 is 5 plus y2 is 4 minus of y1 is minus 2 whole square under root, that is equal to root over 6 minus 5 is 1 square plus 4 minus of minus 2 is 6 square is equal to root over 1 square is 1 plus 6 square is 36, that is equal to root over 1 plus 36 is 37. Therefore, the distance between the vertices A and B is root over 37. Now let us find the distance between the vertices B and C. Length of the side BC. B is 6, 4 and C is 7, minus 2. x1, y1 is 6, 4, x2, y2 is 7, minus 2. The distance between these 2 points is BC is equal to root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That is equal to root over x2 is 7 minus x1 is 6 whole square plus y2 is minus 2, y1 is 4 whole square. That is equal to root over 7 minus 6 is 1 square plus minus 2 minus 4 is minus 6 whole square. That is equal to root over 1 square is 1 plus minus 6 whole square is 36. That is equal to root over 37. Now find the length of the side AC. Distance between the vertices A and C. A of 5, minus 2 and C of 7, minus 2. 5, minus 2 is x1, y1. 7, minus 2 is x2, y2. Distance between these 2 points is AC is equal to root over y2 minus y1 whole square plus x2 minus x1 whole square. That is equal to root over x2 is 7 minus x1 is 5 whole square plus y2 is minus 2 minus y1 is minus 2 whole square. That is equal to root over 7 minus 5 is 2 square plus minus of minus 2 is plus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 is 0 plus 0 square. Root over 2 square, that is equal to 2. The length of the side AC is 2. Now we observe that AB is equal to root over 37 and BC is equal to root over 37. So two sides are equal in the triangle formed using the given vertices. The given points 5 minus 2, 6, 4 and 7 minus 2 do form an isosceles triangle.